Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem if you have a full stable internet connection, but you cannot open any websites on the browser in FOSSIBOT F101. To do this, let's launch our Google Chrome, and here if we try to refresh or open any page, it sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. Let's try to actually reach new one, like YouTube, and yep, it doesn't work. Now, to fix this, we need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find System, enter date and time, and right here click on Set Time Automatically and enable Use Network Provided Time. If we go back to the browser now and try to refresh this page with YouTube, now it works fine, and also Facebook, if we refresh, full page loads without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.